My name is Wendy Okolo. I'm an aerospace research engineer by day, a fitness enthusiast in the evening, and an aspiring DJ in my head at night. Check me out.
What if we told you that a Nigerian woman is working inside NASA, helping to design systems that protect airplanes and improve space technology? And what if we told you she is one of the youngest Black women to ever achieve a PhD in aerospace engineering? Her name is Dr. Wendy Okolo. But her story is not just about NASA. It is about discipline, education, struggle, and African excellence that the world often ignores. Stay with us, because this is not just a story. This is a message. Dr. Wendy Okolo is a Nigerian-born aerospace engineer working with NASA in the United States. She was born and raised in Nigeria, where she completed her early education before moving to the United States to continue her academic journey. From a young age, she showed strong interest in science, mathematics, and how things work in the sky. While many children were thinking about ordinary careers, she was already thinking about aircraft, engines, and space systems. Today, she works at NASA Ames Research Center in California, one of the most advanced research centers in the world. Her work focuses on flight safety systems, aircraft control technology, aerospace research, space innovation support systems. In simple terms, she helps make flying safer and more advanced. Her academic journey was not easy. She studied hard through different stages of education until she reached the highest level. At just 26 years old, she achieved something very few people in the world ever reach. She became one of the youngest Black women to earn a PhD in aerospace engineering from the University of Texas at Allen. That moment changed everything. It opened doors into NASA. It placed her in a global system where only the best minds in science and engineering operate. But behind that success was discipline. Long nights of studying, pressure, and determination not to give up. At NASA, Dr. Wendy Okolo is not just a name on a list. She is part of a system that deals with real-world aviation safety and aerospace development. Her work contributes to safer passenger flights, improved aircraft technology, advanced research in aerospace engineering. She also collaborates with other scientists and engineers from different parts of the world. NASA is not an easy place to work. It is a place where ideas must be tested, proven, and trusted. And she is part of that system. Now listen carefully. This is not just her personal success story. This is a reflection of what Africa can produce when education is taken seriously. Dr. Wendy Okolo represents African intelligence, Igbo educational strength, women in STEM leadership, global competitiveness. Her story shows that talent is not the problem in Africa. The real issue is opportunity, support, and systems that allow young minds to grow. If one Nigerian girl can reach NASA, then many more can do it too. Her journey teaches one major lesson: success is not luck. It is preparation meeting opportunity. She did not arrive at NASA by accident. She built herself through education, focus, and persistence. And today, her work affects global aviation systems. This is what happens when knowledge is taken seriously. Dr. Wendy Okolo's story is not just about science. It is about what is possible for African youth. It is about breaking limits. It is about proving that excellence has no color, no borders, and no restriction. From Nigeria to NASA, from classrooms to global laboratories, her journey is a reminder that Africa is not behind in talent. Africa only needs more platforms. If you believe in African excellence, if you believe in education, if you believe in the future of African youth, then share this video and subscribe to Igbo Area TV for more powerful stories like this. Because our stories must be told. This video is for educational and inspirational purposes only. All information is based on publicly available records and achievements.